Hey guys, so welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox TRENDnet Switch 6-port 2.5 gig unmanaged switch. So let's go ahead and unbox it. There it goes. You're welcome by safety note, installation guide, power brick with a barrel input. Let's see how many watts. So up to 12 watts, which is nice. Cool. Actual switch and probably some double side tape or double coated. I don't know what it is exactly. Probably anti-slip material or something. I don't know. Okay, let's get the switch. As my first impression is really small, smaller than I thought. Even my 1 gig 8-port TP-Link switch is larger. However, it's not that light. It's made of metal. Got two vents on this side, other side as well. DC input and all the magic happens in its rear side. This is a obviously SFP+Port, and then these 5 will be 2.5 gig port. One of the thing I don't like is that their indicator are on the side. I prefer them more when they are right on top, so I don't have to do the math of yeah. That's pretty much it. I don't know if it get heat up or not yet, but we'll see. Though I have ordered a USB fan. Let's see. I don't know anything about this fan. I bought it from Amazon and hope this thing is able to keep it cool. I want to show is these are wall mounted, and they do not come with any hardware to be able to rack mounted. That is all I have for this video. Take care.